Billions of years ago, a giant rock hurtled through the vastness of space, destined for a collision with our young planet. This wasn't just any rock. It was a meteor larger than any city, on a trajectory to forever alter the course of Earth's history. The impact, when it came, would unleash unimaginable forces, reshaping the very land and seas that then defined our world. The event might seem like something out of science fiction, but it is very real. A dramatic chapter etched into the deep geological record of our planet. Scientists, piecing together clues from this bygone era, have unearthed evidence of this cataclysmic event. Like detectives at a cosmic crime scene, they have traversed the globe, seeking out the scars left behind by this ancient impact. What they found has not only painted a vivid picture of this destructive event, but also revealed the surprising resilience of life in the face of extraordinary challenges. To truly grasp the magnitude of this event, we must journey back in time billions of years to a primordial Earth vastly different from the one we know today. The continents, as we know them, were still forming, a jigsaw puzzle of land masses drifting on molten rock. The atmosphere was a toxic cocktail, inhospitable to the life forms that thrive on Earth today. Yet even in this alien environment, life had taken hold. Single-celled organisms, the earliest pioneers of life, flourished in the planet's primordial oceans. These microscopic life forms were incredibly hardy, adapted to conditions that would be lethal to most modern organisms. They were about to face the ultimate test. The meteorite, a silent harbinger of change, drew ever closer, its shadow falling across the young Earth. Its arrival would mark a turning point, not only in the planet's geological history, but also in the evolutionary journey of life itself. In the eastern Barberton Greenbelt of South Africa, a region known for its ancient rock formations, lies a silent testament to this cosmic collision. It is here that scientists discovered the telltale signs of the impact, a geological scar so large that it boggles the mind. This is no ordinary impact crater, it is a vast region where the Earth's crust was warped and melted by the force of the collision. The meteorite, estimated to be at least 40 kilometers wide, slammed into Earth with the energy of countless nuclear weapons. The impact vaporized rock and sent shock waves rippling through the planet. Entire mountain ranges would have been flattened in an instant. The very oceans boiled away in vast regions, leaving behind a scorched and desolate landscape. But this was only the beginning. The impact's aftermath would set off a chain reaction of catastrophic events that would reshape the planet. Venturing into the heart of this impact zone is like taking a step back in time. It is a journey fraught with challenges, but for the scientists determined to unlock the secrets of this ancient cataclysm, the rewards are immeasurable. Led by Professor Nadia Drabon from Harvard University, these intrepid researchers have braved rugged terrain and scorching heat to collect samples and piece together the story of the impact. Their journey often begins with four-wheel drive vehicles, navigating treacherous mountain paths. But eventually the terrain becomes too difficult even for these sturdy vehicles. It is here that the real challenge begins, as the researchers continue on foot, their backpacks laden with heavy equipment and precious water supplies. The searing sun beats down on them as they trek across the ancient landscape, their determination fueled by the knowledge that they are walking in the footsteps of history. Section 5. Unlocking Secrets of the Past. The scientists, armed with hammers and chisels, carefully extract rock samples from the impact zone. These rocks, some of the oldest on Earth, hold within their crystalline structure the secrets of that ancient impact. Back in the laboratory, under the scrutiny of powerful microscopes, these rocks begin to reveal their secrets. Tiny droplets of solidified rock, known as spherules, are found embedded within the samples. These spherules are formed from rock vaporized in the intense heat of the impact. Blasted into the atmosphere, they cooled and solidified before raining down on the Earth's surface, forming a layer of debris thousands of meters thick. Their presence in these ancient rocks provides undeniable evidence of the impact and its sheer magnitude. But the rocks reveal even more. Analysis of their chemical composition paints a picture of the devastating environmental consequences that followed the impact. Section 6. Life finds a way. The immediate aftermath of the impact was a period of unimaginable turmoil. Tsunamis, dwarfing anything in recorded history, raced across the oceans, their towering waves reshaping coastlines thousands of kilometers away. The impact vaporized vast quantities of rock, releasing a toxic cocktail of gases into the atmosphere. The skies darkened as dust and debris choked the atmosphere, blocking out the sun's life-giving rays. For the early life forms that inhabited the planet's oceans, it was a time of unprecedented challenge. Many species, unable to survive the sudden and dramatic changes to their environment, perished. Yet, amidst the death and destruction, life found a way. The impact, while catastrophic, also triggered a series of events that would ultimately pave the way for a resurgence of life more diverse and resilient than ever before. Section 7. The paradox of destruction and creation. The impact, in a strange twist of fate, set in motion a chain of events that would breathe new life into the ravaged planet. The intense heat from the impact had vaporized not only rock but also vast quantities of water. As this water vapor rose into the atmosphere, it condensed and fell back to Earth in torrential downpours that lasted for centuries. These rains, enriched with nutrients leached from the Earth's crust by the impact, filled the oceans with a rich broth of life-giving chemicals. It was in this nutrient-rich environment that life made a remarkable comeback. The surviving microorganisms, adapted to extreme conditions, seized upon this newfound abundance and flourished. The impact, while initially devastating, had inadvertently provided the raw materials and the environmental impetus for a biological revolution. Life, it seemed, was not easily extinguished. It possessed an extraordinary ability to adapt and thrive even in the face of extraordinary adversity. Section 8. Implications for life beyond Earth. The discovery of this ancient impact and its aftermath have profound implications, not just for our understanding of Earth's history, but also for the search for life beyond our planet. It suggests that even catastrophic events, while seemingly destructive, can have unforeseen and ultimately life-giving consequences. Could similar impacts on other planets have paved the way for the emergence of life beyond Earth? Scientists now believe that impacts from comets and meteorites played a crucial role in delivering water and organic molecules to the early Earth, providing the essential building blocks for life. Could these same processes have been at work on other planets, seeding them with the ingredients necessary for life to arise? The study of these ancient impacts on Earth provides a tantalizing glimpse into the possibilities that may exist elsewhere in the universe. Section 9. The unending quest for knowledge. The story of this ancient impact is a testament to the power of scientific inquiry, the insatiable human desire to understand the world around us and our place within it. It is a story that began with a few curious minds, drawn to a remote corner of the world by the whispers of a long-ago cataclysm. Through their tireless efforts, their dedication to uncovering the truth, a picture began to emerge, piece by painstaking piece, of a pivotal event in our planet's history. The quest for knowledge is an ongoing journey, and there is still much we do not know about this ancient impact and its lasting consequences. But each new discovery brings us closer to understanding the remarkable resilience of life and the intricate web of cause and effect that has shaped our world. The search for answers continues, driven by the same spirit of curiosity and wonder that has always been the hallmark of scientific exploration. Section 10. A legacy of resilience. The story of the impact and the subsequent resurgence of life is ultimately a story of resilience, a testament to the enduring power of life to adapt, overcome, and thrive even in the face of unimaginable challenges. It is a story that reminds us that even in the darkest of times, life finds a way. It is a message of hope, a reminder that even when faced with seemingly insurmountable obstacles, the potential for renewal and rebirth exists. As we grapple with the challenges of our time, from climate change to biodiversity loss, let us draw inspiration from the story etched in stone billions of years ago. Let us remember the lessons of resilience, adaptation, and the interconnectedness of all life on Earth. For within this ancient tale lies a profound message for our future, a message of hope, resilience, and the enduring power of life itself.